how I made over $9,828 in the last 7 days net profit with TikTok affiliate marketing. Now in this short step-by-step video, I'm going to show you how I did it without spending a penny on paid advertising. So no TikTok ads. Okay, my strategy personally is I run ads for 7 days straight, every single day, and the next week I stop. I turn them off and do it organic. And I will show you exactly how you can do it in 2025. As you can see over here in the last 7 days, and over here, today, $1,200 without ads. Now before I go into it, let's go here on my TikTok. You can see I had 184,000 video views and 8,800 likes and 520 comments without spending on any paid advertising. Now why this is great investment with TikTok affiliate marketing, you see my friend, is because TikTok shop is huge. People are ready to buy. As I was traveling now around Japan, you could see on subways, on trains, people are stuck to their phones. They're literally glued to their phones, their iPhones. And nowadays you can just buy products from TikTok shop. Physical product, physical goods and services. Info products, courses, right? So that's really great because people are ready to buy. There is a buyer's intent. My friend, you see, if you go on Facebook, it's no more social media. You don't wake up in the morning, go on Facebook to buy some product. No, but people go and watch TikTok shop lives to buy product for hours. Especially in Asia. Now it's coming to USA, Australia, Canada, Europe. Doesn't matter where you are at. People are buying products online more than ever. The question is, are you going to take advantage? You see, engagement is very important. Why? Because you see, if you have a landing page, like for example myself, I use quiz funnels. Why? It's because I want to take person who is unaware into the problem state and put them into the solution state. So that's how, my friend, you can make money online. Not by making some, I know maybe you bought some course in the past for $5,000, $4,000 US dollars, and you didn't make any money. And it's not your fault. The reason why you failed before is because you didn't know exactly the real secrets behind the curtain of what's going on. How super affiliates like we, me, and others are making great money online without showing our face on landing page. It's by understanding our audience on a deeper layers of this game, right? And it's very easy and simple. Once you have someone who can help you one-on-one and hand-holding you along the way. You can see over here, right, almost 200,000 views without spending any money on paid ads. Okay? Now, before I go further, you can reach out to me over here on my Instagram, my Messenger, my WhatsApp, or email later. You see, I'm traveling to over 64 countries right now. Here in Japan, in Africa, in Sahara Desert, right? Everywhere around the world, Australia, Bali. I go is because of this being super affiliate, right? So let me go straight into it right now. You see over here, if you want to make, let's say, 500 US dollars per day or per week, you can do it with one sale, because most products on ClickBank, on MaxWeb, or any other affiliate network, for free you can promote it without showing your face and your name. If you have 20 to 30 minutes per day, you can do this, right? Because most products, they have upsells. Let me show you over here. The comments on TikTok are very natural. People are sick and tired of watching boring, long videos for 1 hour, webinars. TikTok shop is live example in 2025 that everything is changing in direct response marketing. You see, I can confirm this does wonders for acne scars. 1,000 people comment. Natural. Engagement. It's 2025. Right? People love to buy products online. But if you know exactly what you're doing, if you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, show you exactly how this is done, then my friend, also you can make money online. Okay? You can see over the Zoom call what we do. We do it together. And this is possible for you. You can see this freedom lifestyle, laptop lifestyle, whatever you want to call it. It's possible. I'm living proof. If you take action, if you don't make excuses, if you're afraid of investing in yourself, you have problem with mindset, with self-worth issues, right? Your self-worth is very, very low. That's why you're afraid to invest. How I know that? Because I used to be there, same as you watching this video. I used to be scared of paying few $1,000s to someone to learn from. Not only learn, but to apply it together. To fast forward myself in the future, to have better and faster results. This can work for you as you watch this video right now, naturally, if you have at least PC or laptop at home and 20 to 30 minutes per day. If you have 30 minutes for yourself to make $500 a day or more, do you think it's worth it? Ask yourself. Okay? And if, of course, if you can follow simple step-by-step directions. You don't have to show any face. This is not network marketing. This is not direct sales. Don't have to pitch any friends or family. Okay? There is no inventory. You're an affiliate promoting other people's products. Okay? So, if you want to do that, connect with me one-on-one. My Instagram, my email, my WhatsApp number. Yes, I'm giving you my personal phone number. But only if you're serious. Don't call me up and say, I want to do it for free or no. If you're really serious, if you are a smart person, and I know you are because you're still watching this video, let me know, let's connect, and we can make something happen.